Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI to write a newsletter. In this quick walkthrough, you'll learn how to open a new chat in Claude and use a simple prompt to generate newsletter content. This is a great starting point if you want help drafting ideas, improving structure, or creating a first version of a newsletter faster. To begin, go to the Claude New Chat page. Once you're there, you should see a clean chat interface where you can start a fresh conversation. Starting with a new chat is helpful because it gives you a blank workspace, so Claude can focus specifically on your newsletter request without any previous conversation affecting the response. After the new chat screen loads, click into the message box and enter a sample prompt about writing a newsletter. Your prompt can be simple and direct. For example, you might ask Claude to write a newsletter on a specific topic for a certain audience or in a particular tone. The more clearly you describe what you want, the more useful the response is likely to be. If you already know the goal of the newsletter, such as informing customers, sharing updates, or announcing something new, it helps to include that in the prompt as well. Once your prompt is ready, press Enter to send it. Claude will then begin generating a response based on your instructions. Give it a moment to create the draft. In many cases, the first result can give you a strong foundation that you can continue refining. If the wording feels too formal, too short, or not quite aligned with your goals, you can follow up in the same chat and ask Claude to revise it. As a general tip, try to be specific with your wording when you create the prompt. Clear input often leads to clearer output. For example, mentioning the intended audience, the subject of the newsletter, and the tone you want can make the response much more usable right away. You can also ask for sections like a subject line, introduction, body copy, and closing if that matches the kind of newsletter you need. That's all it takes to get started. By opening a new chat, entering a newsletter prompt, and sending it, you can quickly create a draft with Claude and use it as the basis for your final version.